welcome back again to my channel. How you guys doing? Yeah, today we are going to be doing a mukbang. I'm here with my kids. What's your name?
Nathan.
What's your name?
Amani.
So guys, without wasting much of your time, we are just going to dig in because we are hungry. So let's pray. Who's going to pray for us? Amani Ali.
God, we are going to start to eat. God bless this food in Jesus' name. We pray. Amen.
Amen.
You can start to eat, mommy.
Yeah, I can start now.
Yeah, mom. Mommy, can give me fish?
Fish?
Yes.
So guys, we have, this is a sweet pepper sauce. This is a sauce for frites. And this is ketchup.
Mommy, this looks like ketchup.
No, it looks like ketchup, but it's not.
Mommy, I want peach. So yummy. Peach. I'm like, Mommy, I want this.
So you can start eating fruit first, no?
Oh.
Let me bring this to my side because it's not as if people.
Say mommy too.
You are using this?
Yes. Mommy, I will take this. My name is Big Man. Big.
Come on, join us, guys. Thank you.
I want it. This is for me.
So we have plantain, we have fries, we have tilapia fish.
Yummy.
So this is what is this? Yeah, which juice?
Apple juice.
Apple juice. Yeah, me, I'm using my water. This is super tasty, guys. I have a hat on because I have not made my hair yet, so I'm not in the mood to start wearing wig. So yum yum. I think the food is a little bit far from me, no?
What?
Keep it here, don't fall it. I can take it myself.
There's a bone.
Can put it in that corner.
It's really bone. Yum yum.
So guys, I made this fish with my air fryer. This is the first time I'm actually making tilapia fish. Super tasty.
Mommy, your fish is so sweet.
It's so sweet, yeah, Papa. So yum yum.
The pot is tilapia fish. But I fit bone fry.
This one, Papa. You guys are not eating your fruit, eh? If I make only plantain now, they don't like okay. I'm only eating plantain. Not I used to love plantain, but these days you don't want plantain anymore. I don't know why. Why, Papa?
And also meat sometimes you don't like it.
Why? Why don't you like eating plantain anymore? Can I explain? You just don't like it? Seriously? Those days when I make plantain, before I finish frying everything, and then we start picking it one by one. But these days, it's no longer interested. So be careful. Take your own. Mama, you take your own close to you so that you people don't melon it. Take that one close to you there. Be careful and have lot of bone.
It's the best
How do
dinner
you-
that I had, Mom.
I see. I love this sauce a lot, guys. It's sweet and spicy at the same time. What? One fish? Let me cut for you. I hope you are not eating just fish here. There's 5 there, Nathan. People have to be careful because of the bone. Eh? You still have bone. That's the disadvantage of tilapia. Bone. Everywhere. Bone.
Maman, on m'a donné des nucléaires quand on dit pas.
Seriously?
Is that?
What do you say? What do you say? What do you say?
Okay.
What do you say?
Mais perfecto.
Good boy.
I'm not good boy. Mommy, what are you doing that want to do good challenge? You know what to do good challenge, Mommy?
We are eating, we are doing mukbang, we are making a video.
Pourquoi tu dis ta finger? I don't want to eat again. Are you kidding me? Go. I will learn this.
Put down, guys.
Da.
Take mama.
Thank you, Mommy. Me too, my face. Come on, so long. My face is I'm gonna go everything.
And careful. Now you put your clothes inside here.
But
You want fish? If you want fish?
yeah. The picture. Is fish that is more? Is fish that is more? Yes.
Ah bon?
My feet.
You want to eat fish that is alive? The one that is still living? One that is swimming in the water?
No! I want to eat fish that is more.
I'm even forgetting my sauce. I'm thinking I didn't want using my sauce.
And there's a lot of bone. There's 100 bone. No, there's 10 bone.
So,
No, there's. Can I catch it myself? I'm gonna use that so quickly, my cup, please.
be careful.
This is just little water. Bye bye.
This was really delicious, guys. So guys, we hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, please don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and share, and please subscribe if you have already. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye guys.
Bye guys. I'm